Have you ever felt like everything was coming against you? The attacks keep coming, the stress will not stop, and it feels like the enemy is winning. But Yah's word says otherwise. Isaiah 54:17 declares, "No weapon that is formed against thee shall prosper, and every tongue that shall rise against thee in judgment, thou shalt condemn." Notice what the verse says. It does not say, "No weapon will be formed." It says, "No weapon formed against you shall prosper." As children of Yah, we may face trials, lies, betrayal, sickness, persecution, or spiritual attacks. But none of these have the final say. Yah does. The enemy may form a weapon, but only Yah determines the outcome. If you remain faithful, obedient, and trust in Him, what was meant to destroy you can become a testimony of His faithfulness. Remember what Romans 8:31 says, "If Yah is for us, who can be against us?" And Psalm 91 reminds us that those who dwell in the secret place of the Most High are under His protection. So do not fear the weapon. Do not fear the opinions of people. Do not fear the attack. Stay in prayer. Stay in the Word. Walk in obedience. Let the Holy Spirit guide your steps. The victory is not found in your strength. It is found in Yah's power. Today, declare this over your life. I belong to Yah. I will trust Him. No weapon formed against me shall prosper because my life is in His hands. If this message encouraged you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to be reminded that Yah is still their defender. Shalom.